Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a screen resolution problem you're having on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in screen, best match will come back with change the resolution of the display, and go ahead and left click on that. Now at this point you can go ahead and adjust the scale of the page as well as the display resolution. And if you have multiple displays, you can choose the presentation mode for your various displays. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. You can modify them as you can see, and you can keep changes or revert. So very similar to earlier versions of Windows here in terms of its functionality. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.